Incidence density is an appropriate indicator when disease has long duration. A. B. Population at risk can be followed through entire time period. C. There is occurrence of an outbreak. D. Chance of occurrence of episode is more than once during period of follow-up. Incidence density, also known as the rate of occurrence, is an appropriate measure when the chance of occurrence of an episode is more than once during a period of follow-up. So it accounts for varying length of observation for different subjects and is particularly useful when subjects can experience the event multiple times. This is distinct from cumulative incidence, which looks at the developing a disease during a specific period. So here the answer is D. Chance of occurrence of episode is more than once during period of follow-up.